Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a Python package by which you can implement multi-threading or parallel execution of multiple functions at a single time. So we have basically prepared this Python script which actually contains multiple threads, and at concurrently it executes multiple functions. So let me just show you. As I run this Python script, you will see it is basically executing multiple functions at the same time using the concept of threading. So threading, as you know, that you can see both threads have been finished executing. Some programming language supports multi-threading, some don't, but in Python, as you all know, it's a multi-threaded language. It supports multi-threading, and JavaScript is a single-threaded language. C++ also supports multi-threading. Java also supports multi-threading. So similarly, in Python, we actually use this module which is threading. So this is actually, I think it's a third-party module. So it makes it easy to implement. So just search for this module which is threading. Yeah, so I think, yeah, this is actually the module. By default, you install this pip install threading 2, but you import this. So I will show you the complete example. The link is given in the description. So it's a very simple example. So first of all, you simply import the module, the time module, which is a built-in module, and then from this threading module, I think you don't need to install this. It's built in inside the latest version of Python, which is 3. The Python 3, it's built in the multi-threading support. So you simply import this module from threading, import the thread class. After that, we define two functions. First function, which actually expects a argument to be passed here, which is a countdown function. And so now inside this while loop, we simply count down to those number. We simply print out. So this function actually accepts an integer to be passed to this function to actually render out the countdown string. So very simple. We have defined this while loop. We wait for 1 second. And the second function, which will be responsible, again here will be providing a simple print message, actual message plus the count variable, and then we loop through and display. These are two different functions, and now I will show you the concept of threading. So how we do this, we actually open a new thread by using this thread class, and we specify the target, what target code that you want to execute. So here I will display this countdown function that we declared, and then we can provide the arguments right here, which is the 5, like this. Similarly, we'll be defining the second thread again by using the thread class, and this time we'll be executing the second function that we defined, which is print messages. And the arguments that we need to pass here, the first will be the string value hello from thread 2, and then 5. So these are two different threads calling two different functions. So these are the first thread, this is the second thread calling the second function. So after that, now to start the thread, we call the start function. So t1 start, t2 start. So both the threads are starting one after the other, and optionally we can also call the join function as well, so that we get the message whenever both the threads have been finished. So after that, we can simply print a line, both threads have finished. So now what happens if I execute this Python script? Both the threads will start concurrently, and as you can see, multi-threading is implemented in this format. So we have taken a very simple example. You can see we executed both the threads at the same time concurrently, and then we simply print out that both threads have finished. So in this easy way, guys, you can get started using multi-threading inside Python using this threading module. You define whatever code that you need to, just assign them into different functions and then define different threads. Thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.